packs. In the pet section, also a lot of stuff. PvPs, generals, utilities, auto farming shops. Well, you name it, guys. Hello there, people, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial where in today's video I will show you how we can get the only working script for Grow a Garden, which you can get on Roblox through the Delta executor for both iOS and Android devices. So sit back, relax, and let me show you how we can get it. Okay, guys, you can see on the right side that I already have the Delta executor, and I will execute a hub that will go just amazing with Grow a Garden. So guys, you can see right here the Grow a Garden script is up and loading. And now we can just adjust all of these stuff right here. You can go on and on. You can see how big these tabs are, guys, what you can do all with it. Basically, you can just go on and on, as mentioned. Auto buy seeds already on. Auto open crates, auto open seed packs. In the pet section, also a lot of stuff. PvPs, generals, utilities, auto farming shops. Well, you name it, guys, and they will have it. So guys, now I will guide you through each and every step that needs to be applied in today's tutorial on how we can get the script for Grow a Garden for both iOS and Android devices. So what we need to make sure is to have our Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections, which is very important. And that being said, you can now open up your browser, any browser, but search for blockstweaks.com, because there, guys, we will have a script selector and also to get the Delta executor if you don't already have it. So if you don't have it, go ahead and grab it and then start getting your Grow a Garden script. So type here in the script selector grow, or scroll down until you find it, of course. Get the script right here and start entering your username. So make sure to enter the correct one, of course. Tap on the next button and then select Forge Hub. That is the one hub that goes perfectly well for Grow a Garden from some other apps, some other games, as well, like Grow a Garden, for example, Blocks Fruits or 99 Nights. So now you have a step-by-step tutorial right here for the last step, which we will just be redirected to. So what do we have here? There are two steps or two ways to complete it. You can either complete 2 questionnaires by answering some simple questions, or to download 2 apps from the official App Store, Google Play Store. And not only download them, but also, for example, install plus play 3 games for 5 minutes each. For some app, some other app will have something like install and open it up, or install plus register. Make sure to read it carefully, read it all, or just go with the questionnaires. It is much faster and simpler. So guys, that is how you get your Grow a Garden to script for Roblox through the Delta executor for both iOS and Android devices. Don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya!